Hello children, today we are going to start with chapter 3, that is major landforms. So in this chapter we'll study about mountains, plateau, plains, river valley, desert and features and importance of landform. So Rohan was visiting his grandparents in the beautiful hills town of Palampur. This place looks so different from Goa where I live. He told his grandmother, different places have different features and all are special in their own way. His grandmother exclaimed, right? So, about 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water body and 29% is land. The land surface is not same all over the world. At some places it's flat and other places it's high. Similar, the kind of soil is also different at different places. Variation in the Earth's surface are called relief features of landforms. Right, first is mountains. The elevated part of Earth's surface is rising above 900 meter higher than surrounding areas called mountains. About 20% of the Earth's surface is covered with mountains and there are the highest landforms on the land surface. Right. So we have features of the mountains. So mountains, what are these? These are the steep slopes, sharp ridges and peaks. The height and the shape of the mountains vary from region to region. The difference in the height and shape of the mountains is due to their age. The Himalayas are the young and very high conical peaks and the Aravallis being very cold are low and have rounded peak. कैसी peak है इनकी? Rounded peak है. We have several mountains that may join together to form a change or range. Some important mountain ranges are Himalaya in Asia, Andes in South America and Rocky Mountains in North America. The climate in the mountain is cooler than the plains. The peak of the high mountains remain covered with snow throughout the year. ये snow covered होती है throughout the year. Importance of mountains. Let's study about the importance. Mountain blocks winds carrying moisture and the winds go up along the slopes, right? And there the moisture cools down and causes rain. Many rivers originate from these mountains and provide water throughout the year. Mountains are the storehouse of the wide variety of plants and trees. Mountains, what they do, they protect against the hot or cold wind. Many hill stations are located in the mountain. Some mountains have rich deposit of mineral. कुछ mountain ऐसे हैं जहाँ पे आपको rich deposit of mineral देखने को मिलेगा. Then we have plateau, which is a elevated part of the earth but has flat top. Height कितनी है? 500 meter. If we talk about the features of the plateau, what are the features? Very steep slopes. Plateaus are generally located near the mountains or surrounded by mountains. The plateau of Tibet is surrounded by mountains on all sides. They cover about one-third of the Earth's surface. Most of the plateau are spread over the hundreds of kilometers. For example, the Deccan Plateau that covers major area of southern India. Let's study about the importance of plateau. Why the plateaus are very important to us. What they provide, they are very rich in minerals like iron, copper, gold, silver, mica and coal. The Chota Nagpur Plateau of India, which is quite rich in mineral. And it is also known as storehouse of mineral. अगर हम बात करें बहुत सारे प्लेट्यूज की, उनकी स्टीफ फॉलिंग वाटरफॉल होते हैं जो क्या प्रोवाइड करते हैं सुटेबल साउथ फॉर प्रोड्यूसिंग हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. Natural beauty of plateaus attracts tourists. Grasslands in the plateaus are suitable for what? Cattle rearing and sheep rearing. As you know that Mount Everest is located in the Himalaya, is the highest peak in the. Next is plains. So a plain is a flat and low-lying land surface. There is almost difference in altitude between highest and lowest point. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Lowlands कहते हैं. Let's study about the features of plain. Most of the plains in the world are formed by sand and silt brought down by the river. Northern plains of India. ये किससे बनते हैं? They are formed by river Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. Plains have fertile soil, so they are thickly populated all over the world and plains are located in the interior of the continent as well as where? Along the seashore, right? Let's see the importance of plains. So plains have fertile soil, so they have wide variety of crops grown here. Plains are suitable for constructing canal for irrigation, constructing roads and railways track. What it is easy in plains and plains are also suitable for what? Setting up industries. Now river valley. It is low-lying area between hills and they are formed due to flowing water and usually V-shaped and U-shaped. What are its features? So the valley has head where it begins in the hill. It has sides where it rises up on either side. The floor of the valley is flat and when river enters the flatland, what happens? There is a plain area over there. Now importance of river valley. It's a rich source of fresh water. Fresh water का rich source है. Deposit of the fine silt brought down by the river along their banks, which makes the soil fertile. Then we have desert. So a desert is a huge area of land covered mostly by sands and rock. We have some famous desert like Sahara in Africa, Patagonia in South America, and Thar and Arabian in Asia. Next is features of desert. What are the features of desert? Water is scarce in desert. Why? Because due to very low rainfall, vegetation is less, days are very hot and winters are very cold, dust storms are common, and what they forms hills of sand, which is called sand dunes. What is the importance of desert? Rich is in silica and aluminium. अरेबियन डेजर्ट में आपको पेट्रोलियम देखने को मिलेगा. Many parts of desert irrigation facilities provided by constructing canals. Indira Gandhi Canal provides water for growing crop. In this chapter, we will discuss mountains, plains, plateau, rivers, valley, and desert as the prominent relief features of the Earth's surface on what type of landform your house is situated. Right? Now, a chapter has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. Now, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.